TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN, 10 a.m. Eastern Time, 30 minutes into the trading day, and we got markets in positive territory to kick things off. Right now, you're looking at an S&P positive by almost 1%, up 32 points, trading at 3404. NASDAQ up 196 points, 11,463. The Dow up 139 points, a little bit of a sell-off on the open on the Dow, still up almost 0.5% right now, trading above 28,000 at 28,008. Russell 2000 hanging on to some gains, but pulling back as well on the open. Russell up 3 points now, trading at 1535. Commodity-wise, we got crude hanging on to some gains, up 21 cents at 37.47. Crude had been above $38 briefly on a couple occasions this morning at about 6 a.m. and 7 a.m. as well. Gold contract giving up its gains as well. A little bit of a sell-off around the open. Gold negative $2 at 1961, had been as high as 1982 overnight. Notes and bonds a little bit of lower price and higher yield. The 10-year negative by 2 ticks at 139.16. Looking at the 30-year at negative 8 ticks at 176.14. The 10-year yield right now sitting at 0.685%. Jumping around to what we have going on in the market. A big day for Apple today as they have their launch event. They'll be talking about the watch. They'll be talking about some health and fitness ahead of that, and that begins at 1 p.m. Eastern time, I believe. Apple up about 2.2% right now. Some of the FANG stocks trading higher. Microsoft shares up almost 2% as well. Facebook shares up 3%. How about that at 274.21? NVIDIA getting an upgrade on the heels of their ARM acquisition yesterday. NVIDIA up about 2.2% so far this morning. In terms of earnings, we had Lennar out with their earnings last night. Decent earnings, traded lower overnight, but a little bit of a pop on the open. Right now, you're down about 1.8%. And after the bell today, we get FedEx numbers after the bell. They're down about 1%. Jumping over to that Thinkorswim platform, the Analyze tab, FedEx. How about a $19.91 expected move priced into their options? And we also get Adobe earnings after the bell. Adobe, talk about a price tag, almost at $500, and they're pricing in a $28.94 move on their earnings. And we'll wrap it up with the VIX. The VIX, 25.26. We actually got a 24 handle earlier. Stay tuned, folks. Come back at 10 o'clock live with Tom. Fast Market at 11. Basil Chapman, Steve Rose, Dave White, Tom O'Brien, all this afternoon. We'll be right back.